Hello, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your Google API key, or we could go through Gemini. So first of all, just go ahead and click Google right here. Go ahead and search these words right here. It's going to be ai.google.dv, and once you search that, you will be prompted to this one right here. Click this one right here, and then I'm going to need you to scroll down and click this one right here. Just wait for a couple of seconds here. Very similar to ChatGPT. I want you to click this one, the one that says Get Gemini API Key. Here we go. And now once you're prompted to this page right here, I want you to accept. Here you go. Give consent to these three dots right here, three boxes. Just go ahead and click continue. And then I want you to click this key icon right here. And then you'll be prompted to this one right here that says API keys right here. Go ahead and click this. Create API key. Now it's creating the API key as we're speaking. And as you can see, all you need to do now is click this one and it'll create the API key that you're looking for. See? So here you go, just click copy and there you have it. You have your API key now. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.